character. They understand that every moment of patience is seen by Allah, even if no one else notices. An unshakable Muslim never stops growing. They know that faith rises and falls, so they constantly renew their relationship with Allah through prayer, Qur'an, remembrance, repentance, and good deeds. They do not become arrogant because of their progress, nor do they lose hope because of their mistakes. Instead, they continue returning to Allah with humility, knowing that His mercy is greater than any sin and His guidance is greater than any confusion. Every day becomes another opportunity to strengthen the heart, purify the soul, and become a better servant of Allah. Imagine meeting Allah on the Day of Judgment with a heart that remained faithful despite every challenge, a heart that chose forgiveness over revenge, patience over anger, gratitude over complaint, trust over fear, and faith over despair. That is the heart of an unshakable Muslim. It is not built in a single day, nor is it achieved without effort. It is formed through years of sincere worship, honest repentance, constant remembrance of Allah, and a determination to obey Him in every circumstance. This is the Muslim way of inner strength. It is the path that brings peace in this world, honor in the sight of Allah, and everlasting success in the hereafter. May Allah make us among those whose hearts remain firm upon His guidance until the day we return to Him. Ameen.